Hi, I am Sarthak. I am from Pune. I am a student in ASPIER of batch 2022-24. I selected ASPIER because it is well reputed and it is one of the topmost institute in this field. So this course also offers preimplantation genetics, which I think is the best part. And what distinguishes ASPIER from other institutes is its theoretical knowledge and main focus on hands-on training. And all the teachers and faculty present in ASPIER are very friendly and gives one-on-one personal attention. And I feel blessed to be a student of Dr. Suresh Katera, who is a well-known pioneer in this field of clinical embryology. And not only in academic, but they also support us in co-curricular activities such as sports, and this helps us to develop our overall personality. And here we celebrate all kinds of festivals, and this gives a very friendly, homely vibe in ASPIER. So at last, I would tell you that do join ASPIER and you won't regret the decision, and of course no doubt you will be in great hands. Thank you.